If I stole $5 from you every week, you would chase me down the street, right? But when your bank gives you almost zero interest and you leave your money there for years, you just smile and say it is what it is. No, it is not. That same $5, if sent to the right place instead of letting it rot in a bank, can turn into real money. What you are going to learn today is not fantasy, not lottery, not crypto gambling. Actual, grown-up wealth. Today, I'm going to show you how to start with spare change, even just $1. This is the heart of my book, From Spare Change to Smart Wealth, the $1 blueprint for low-income investors. This is for you if you think you are too broke to invest. You think you need thousands before it is worth it. You are quietly angry that nobody taught you this in school. Good. Stay angry. Use it. The so-called peasant rule? A complete myth. Today, we debunk this outdated idea for good. The old rule was, no money, no investing. That was true when you had to call a guy in a suit and buy whole shares costing $3,000. If you only had $5, the market said, sit down, peasant. That old world is dead. The trend now is fractional investing. Fractional investing is the concept that promotes buying a slice of a share. So instead of waiting endlessly to buy whole units of share or cryptocurrency, you can buy a fraction of it according to your pocket. At the entry point, you don't need $300 for a big company. You can buy $1, $3, or $5 worth. The bottom line, the question is no longer, can I afford to invest? It is, can I afford not to invest? Meet Amir. He earns just enough for rent and food. He thinks investing is for people in flashy cars and not for him, who owns nothing. But Amir noticed a pattern in his bank app. Small food orders he forgot. Unused streaming subscriptions. Random energy drinks and snacks. Total $5 every few days. Gone with zero benefit. Amir decided to rebel against his bad habits. He set an automatic transfer. $5 a week goes into a fractional investment app. He treats it like a non-negotiable bill. In the first month, he invested $20. Before the year runs out, $260 was invested by him. It sounds small, but it's not just the money he put in, it's what the money is doing while he's sleeping. It sounds small, but it's not just the money he put in, it's what the money is doing while he's sleeping. If you're serious about building wealth from scratch, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Wealth Empire TV. Compounding is how the rich stay rich. Think of it as planting a tree. You plant a seed, your investment. The tree grows apples, your profit. You plant the seeds from those apples. Now you have an orchard, and you didn't have to work any harder. The math, saving $5 a week in a simple index fund for 10 years could result in your $2,400 investment growing by hundreds or even thousands of dollars in market gains. Your bank loves your savings account because they pay you pennies, take your money, invest it, and keep the profit. When you start fractional investing, you are taking over that role. You aren't just a customer anymore, you're an investor. Slices of giants, brands you use, Apple, Samsung, Netflix, or Coca-Cola. Next is index funds, a basket of many companies. It's like saying, I don't know which team will win the league, so I'll buy the whole league. Safer, less drama. Step 1. Pick your tool. Next, find a regulated app that allows fractional shares. Step 2. Cross the mental line from non-investor to investor. Step 3. Automate the habit. Set a weekly transfer. Habit is more important than amount. Step 4. Do less. Don't check your phone every 5 minutes. Let time do the work. Most people aren't too broke. They are too distracted or too scared. If you can afford mobile data and snacks, you can afford $1 a week for your future. Don't trap your future self in stress because you thought you weren't ready. When this video ends, do 3 things. Find one $5 purchase from last week you don't even remember. When this video ends, do 3 things. Find one $5 purchase from last week you don't even remember. Next, find one fractional investing platform in your country and create an account. Don't joke with your future. Put in your first $1, even if your hand is shaking. You are the $5 investor now. Spare change isn't for the couch anymore. It's the start of your empire. Comment Wealth Empire if you're in, like to show support, share to help others rise, and subscribe so we can grow this community into an unstoppable force.